Should I use Wix or WordPress? Yes, both Wix and WordPress are excellent website platforms, but the best choice depends on what you value most. Wix is ideal if you want a simple, all-in-one solution that lets you create a beautiful, professional website without technical work. It comes with built-in hosting, templates, SEO tools, and security. Everything managed for you so you can focus on your content and brand. WordPress, on the other hand, is perfect for users who want total control and flexibility. It's open source, meaning you can customize almost every element of your site, but it requires more setup and maintenance. Wix offers a smoother and faster experience for beginners, small businesses, and creatives who prefer an intuitive platform that handles all the technical details behind the scenes. You can design freely, add features with a few clicks, and never worry about server management or plugin conflicts. WordPress is great for those who enjoy hands-on control and want the ability to expand endlessly through plugins and custom coding, though it takes more time to manage and maintain. If your goal is to build a professional website quickly with zero hassle and full creative freedom, Wix is the perfect choice. It gives you everything you need to bring your vision online and start growing instantly. You can start using Wix for free right now by clicking the link in the description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to design, customize, and launch your own professional website at no cost.